This is the procedure for changing the skids on the M-Blades helicopter. So you have the helicopter turned upside down, have a small tipped screwdriver, and you have 4 screws located at the bottom underneath the skids. So we remove these 4 screws. Once the 4 screws are removed, just pull up on the skids to remove. Take your new skids, place them on. There are nice deep holes and little slots for them to slot directly onto. Make sure those are pressed on nice and firm, and then replace the screws. There we go, that's all 4 screws replaced, and the new skids on, nice and tight, and there you go.